there are programs which provide massive child immunization. Example, you can see the pulse polio vaccination a day which is conducted in schools and many other public platforms, right? So through those programs and all, children are provided with the necessary vaccines which will protect them from many infectious diseases. Okay, and so that if they are protected from many infectious diseases, the mortality rate of the child or the children will get reduced. So mortality rate is nothing but the death rate or in the children due to diseases will get reduced. So like this, there are many programs which was initiated by the government, and it has been implemented, and also there are different ways through they succeed with the programs. Okay, so like sex education, like this statutory ban on the sex determination, and like the massive child immunization, there are many programs which are implemented by the government to protect the reproductive health in the society. Okay, so now let us move on to the next process. So let us see about various researches and various developments which has happened due to all these different awareness. So we saw the problems which people faces, that is they have lack of knowledge about many of the reproductive health aspects, and so awareness is given to the people, and it is given to adults as well as to the children. And we saw how a successful implementation of this program or the action plan can happen. Now let us see the different ways through which government has brought about changes in all these. So research on various reproduction related areas are encouraged and supported by governmental and non-governmental agencies to find out new methods or to improve upon the existing one. Okay, so government and non-governmental agencies, they promote the research on this reproduction related area. So they encourage it and they support it, and with the use of these researches, they are able to find out new methods or new techniques to improve the existing ones. ഇപ്പോഴുള്ള reproductive health maintain ചെയ്യുന്ന പല factorsനെയും they are doing research on that, and again they are improving themselves. So this is encouraged by the government and non-governmental agencies, and once they come up with the research, once they have good result, they will start implementing all this. Okay, so they are encouraged to find out new methods or to improve upon the existing ones. Okay, one example is the tablet, which is an oral contraceptive tablet for the females, was developed by scientists at Central Drug Research Institute, CDRI, in Lucknow, India. Have you heard of it? So it is a tablet which is called as Saheli, a new oral contraceptive pills. It is a tablet. Okay, so it is a pill which is taken by the females, and this was developed by scientists at Central Drug Research Institute, CDRI, in Lucknow. Okay, and better awareness about sex related matters, increased number of medically assisted deliveries. We know you would have heard in many stories, and even in many pictures you would have seen that in earlier times, delivery, that is the process of giving birth, was done in the houses itself, right? So now there is a lot of changes. People started moving to hospitals for this delivery, so they take assisted delivery. So due to awareness, we are able to find that there is increased number of medically assisted deliveries, and also better postnatal care. So when they reach hospitals, they provide them a proper information of how to take care of the fetus and the women. Okay, so when that is done properly, so when the deliveries are done medically, and when proper care is given to both mother and the child, there will be decreased maternal and infant mortality rate. Okay, see, earlier times and all, there are the number of cases of females or the women or the mother who's giving birth, as they are not medically carrying out this delivery process, there were higher chances of mortality rate in delivering women's or the mothers. Now it is all reduced due to the improvement in the awareness among the reproductive health. So this has increased the number of medically assisted deliveries and also better postnatal care. So with this, it has helped to decrease the maternal and also the fetal mortality rate or the infant mortality rate. അപ്പോൾ proper care മദറിനും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ബേബീസിനും കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ the death rate of both of them has reduced. Okay, and increased number of couples with small families. So you would have seen in many places where the government would have written as one family, one child. Okay, so due to awareness, there are many couples who have adapted with small families. Okay, then better detection and cure of the sexually transmitted diseases. So as awareness about all these things were given to people started using it in a proper way. They learned about the different they were able to come out and they were able to speak about the problems which they have, so which helped them to detect the diseases and cure such sexually transmitted diseases, and overall increased medical facilities for all sex related problems etc. has improved the reproductive health of the society. So the reproductive health which was before many years, it is not the same now. There are a lot of improvements happening in this reproductive health of the society. So all these is due to the combined effect of governmental, non-governmental agencies and also the people in the society who worked up together to overcome all these reproductive health problems. Okay, so this is about the first part, which is the reproductive health problems and strategies.